In this video, we're going to take a look at doing a factory reset on a Proliphix NT series thermostat. The way that you perform a factory reset, and just to make a note here, it's easier to do with two hands, so you'll want to keep that in mind. But take the thermostat off the wall, pinch the bottom, hinge it upwards, it'll come off. Be aware of the two tabs when you're putting it back on, make sure you do it correctly. But what you'll do is you'll align the hinges, and then before you snap it back on, you're going to hold down the middle button, snap it back on until it gets power. The screen will go dark. It'll be lit up, but it'll be dark. And you keep the button held down until you see the numbers. That should just be another second or so. At that point, you'll see the name has changed back to its factory default name. It has a default schedule, all the factory default settings at this point. And that's how you do a factory reset on the NT series thermostat. Thanks.